Alright, one more day. We're going to give this another try. Got aluminum going. The pouring cup didn't really survive, so I made one using water glass and sand, and it had some CO2 treatment, and then baked in the oven a little bit, and I'm hoping that will be as good a pouring cup, and I'll probably go to that style. I had problems with the readings on my meter for temperature over 1100 degrees, so we've gone to another one to see if that works out better. And we have another one of these in the mold. It's deeper down now, get a little bit more head pressure, and we'll see how that goes. So yeah, just gonna wait till that cools down a little bit more, and then we'll put it in the thing and we'll start melting aluminum and hope this one turns out. Alright, so this is the mold. She's all shaken in. The pouring cup is in. And there's the sprue. So we, I think, are ready to start melting aluminum. And if this works, this might be my new system, because it really doesn't take any time or money, and it'd be nice to have the pouring cup disposable, so you have a new one each pour based on the size of the pour. So we'll see. Alright. I'll get the show on the road. Alright, the furnace is cooling down. Everything seemed to have worked well. A bunch of ingots with the leftovers. Can add to that pile of ingots for the next pours. And I haven't had the courage to open this up yet. We'll go have a beer and we'll open it up and take a look after. So far, it looks to be like it's going to be good. I got to cut that off in the sprue, but overall, it seems to be 100%. We'll get her out in a second. Alright, so I'm going to say this is a great success. It finishes great. Everywhere came out perfect. The interior has a little bit of rubble, but I can clean that out with the burr, no problem. This pour fitting in here, that was me. The foam didn't fit good because this was one of the trial ones. And but that can all, I mean, the thing weighs pounds, so I gotta take a lot of weight off of it. But overall, I would call that a huge success. And I gotta do a shout out to Mr. Kelly Cofield, because his instructionals are perfect. And the pouring cup, I'd say, was also a good success. So between the pouring cup change and the head pressure change, I can't even believe how well the handle came out, which I'll obviously cut off, but and the temperature took a little higher. I had a barometer that worked now, so went up to 1550, and well, I'm super stoked. It's time to celebrate. Booyah!